Welcome back to the Theory Series. And I want you to open your mind and really dig down deep inside of you and see if you got 1 ounce of intelligence to get what I'm about to say. Now the next topic is racism versus stereotypes. Racism and stereotypes are 2 different things. A lot of things that's going on worldwide is stereotype. It's not truly racism. How can you say, if somebody say, hey bro, you know where to get some good chicken around here at? That's not racism. That's a stereotype. Racism is more of actually treating someone a certain type of way, with hate, with anger, with jealousy, just because the color of their skin. Now actually thinking somebody knows something because of what you heard on the radio, or the movies, or the TV shows, or the YouTube channels, or the social media by this very own people, and you ask them a question which is being betrayed by their own people, that's just a stereotype. You assume that I act like all the rest of the people from my neighborhood or from my city. It's not always based off of just color. So stereotypes can be based off of anything. Where you from, what school you went to, what neighborhood you go to, most likely statistics. It's not racism. They still both highly unappreciated, and you shouldn't treat people that way with your dumb ass. Always pay attention to the neighborhood you in, to the situation that you in, the people you around, what they like and what they don't like. If you can't get with that, it's not everybody else's fault. You too simple-minded to respect the word is gracias, not gracious, with your dumb ass. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, listen to the music, follow me on all the social media sites, check me out for some more beat reviews. Shout out to Hood Cinema. Get booked up. I don't mean like going to a concert, getting shows, getting gigs, I mean like literally reading books with your dumb ass. Like for real, yo. You just pick up the dictionary, start at the A, and just read. Just start reading, and you might just learn something with your dumb ass. Now tell me what you think in the comments below.